Has your child started becoming a fussy eater all of a sudden? It's like 1.5 years. The child is very fussy eater. It's very normal and you're not alone. There's a science behind it. You know what is the science? It is a child becomes assertive towards his own food, his own energy, his own independence, that they can and they have the capacity to control food habits, because that's the first thing the child is going to control. So they are doing it very normally. This is very normal. Apart from that, there is a sudden decrease in their weight growth. Okay, that is all because of the reduction in the appetite. Right? Appetite is going to reduce. Not only that, their molars are coming. Please make sure molars are coming. That is going to make a huge impact on their body. Their mindset is not nice. They don't like the food. They used to like it earlier. Now they don't like that food at all. There's a sudden change, difference in the same food what they used to have before. Now they don't like it. These are very common and there is science behind it. Please understand. Now we are going to discuss 5 different hacks. The fifth one is very wonderful hack. Beautiful hack. Let's understand each hack in detail so that your child is able to eat properly without making a much fuss about it. Okay, let's start about it. Before we understand the different hacks by which we can encourage child to eat well with a beautiful connection with food, there are certain issues we need to understand, that there is something called a fear of new, that is called a new phobia. They don't like new things to be introduced at once. Slowly, one by one, we need to introduce new things to children. New food items, new taste. They don't know what is sour, what is bitter. So slowly, one by one, we need to introduce that. And apart from that, there is of course, in today's world, we have many distractions like mobile, TV, games, gadgets, all that. That all has to be avoided till the age of 3 once their food habits are settled. Because these distractions are again going to hamper in their eating habits, connection with food. You would have seen in many of the places when child goes outside, parents are holding mobile and just encouraging child to eat, but with the mobile in front. This what happens, the child is not ready to connect with food. So the child doesn't know what the child is eating. The parents are feeding, the child is eating. This should not happen. So avoiding all these mistakes what parents are doing, we can follow few hacks to improve the food habits of child from the age of 1.5 onwards. Once the child understands what is food and how do I eat, how my adults are eating, how my parents are eating, the child will understand all that slowly. So you also have patience and let's do it together. Hack number 1 is make food fun with shapes. Use cookie cutters to turn fruits, sandwiches and rotis into stars, shape of alphabets, different shapes, and heart, animals, shapes, right? And when food looks playful, obviously they're going to eat it and they're going to try it. Even if something healthy also. Hack number 2 is hide veggies smartly. Add grated carrots into paratha, into dosas, make chapatis or parathas with paneer or palak, methi, all these, because they don't know what is inside, but we know what is good for their health, right? And we can also use beetroot for the pancake, red color pancake, green color pancake, all that will encourage them to eat healthy. Hack number 3 is smoothie popsicles. Blend banana, milk, date and nuts and freeze them. And make it in a fun molds. And it's cool, healthy, and we know what's in that, right? We only know it. Like this we can try out many fruits, maybe watermelon, kiwi, put it in the popsicle molds and make it very interesting for them. It will look also colorful also. Child obviously is going to enjoy it with lots of interest in it, and the child obviously will ask for it again and again. Hack number 4 is very important. Eat together as family. You would have seen kids when they eat together with their mates, classmates or their friends. They eat without making any fuss. They like it because that's the company they enjoy. Same way at home also, eat together as a family. Toddlers learn by copying. Be a model for them. If they see you enjoying your veggies, If parents are also eating veggies with lots of interest, the child is going to follow the same thing. Same way, if the parent is a fuzzy eater, he or she doesn't like vegetables, onions, the child is going to follow the same thing. The child is going to learn from observation, as I always say in all my videos. And the child will also enjoy and learn the table etiquettes also by parents only. So be a role model for them. Hack number 5, as I mentioned, it's a game changer. It is the most important and significant hack, the tip any parent can use for their child. Involve them in cooking, involve them in kitchen activities, involve them in household activities. They are going to follow that, they're going to love it because they like the sense of responsibility. At that young age, they like to be given some responsibility. They feel, wow, I've done something very nice. Give them for needing a chapati batter. You can give them, or dosa batter, just mix it and give it to them. Give a smoothie mixture and tell them just you try it with your hand, also blend it again. I'm there next to you. Give them some responsibility. They will enjoy it and they're going to enjoy the food what they have prepared themselves. I understand parenting is a challenge, but small wins like this makes lots of difference. A child getting the tiffin box empty after finishing it completely, feel wow, my child is growing up. Okay, after that at home also the child is enjoying and eating the food. Feel wow, my son has done it. I have done it. So that sense of proudness, the sense of pride as a parent we get that we are able to make a child eat food by connecting to it without making fuss about it, not to be a picky eater. All that is possible like this. But please understand, whenever you are using it or implementing any hacks, use one at a time and understand how the child is progressing. Do not do everything together and see why my son is not doing like this, like that. Try at once and see the difference, what the child is enjoying that. Maybe once you understand, okay, the child is enjoying green color paratha, I will make it again green color paratha. Okay, red color paratha. Wow, rainbow shaped chapati or pancake. Something when the child doesn't know, but you know what is healthy for the child. That can be done with these steps. And apart from these, watch my more videos and subscribe this channel because parenting is a very new concept which is talked about in India. And abroad and outside world it is too much. Everyone knows because parenting is never said that बच्चा संभालना कौन सी बड़ी बात है. What is the big deal in taking care of kids? No. In India it is thought that way, but let's understand when we take a scientific approach towards this beautiful journey of parenting, it makes lots of difference. So let's do it together as a new India, new society for the whole world. And subscribe the channel. And I would appreciate if you like my videos and share it with everyone. That makes lots of difference and motivates me further like a small YouTuber like me. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Take care. Lots of love from Poonam Modern Parenting. Thank you so much.